this is the Sima S107HE remote controlled helicopter. So taking a closer look at the box itself, you can see this is the 2.4 gigahertz. It's got double protection, one key takeoff, hover function, and it has lights, and it's made for indoor flight. Taking a closer look, you can see this is the size of the helicopter. It's about 220 millimeters by 38 millimeters and a height of 105 millimeters. And these are the colors that this helicopter can come in. You see this is going to be the blue helicopter, but it also comes in a red and a green. All right, so inside you see this. These are the instructions for your helicopter. This is going to be a bag of extra parts and a charging cable. Here's your charging cable. Here's a complementary tool, screwdriver. Here is the remote for your helicopter. This is going to be up, this is going to be down, this is going to be forward, back, left, right, and of course your power button. This is where you're going to use that tool to add in the batteries. So here's the helicopter out of the box. This is nice. It's got like a little metal finish to it. You see the rotors on the helicopter can freely spin independent of each other. This is a little light on the front. And there's some lights on the side as well. And to charge your helicopter, there's a little port right there. That's where you're gonna take this plug right here, and they'll fit right in, like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up about maybe 30 minutes, and then I'll review on how it flies. So this is the helicopter already charged up. You see it's got these cool LED lights on the side. This is the controller. This is going to be your up and down movement, your forward, back, left, right. This is going to be your launch button right here. This is going to be your left tilt and your right tilt, just in case the helicopter is leaning in one direction. And this button right here is going to be your power boost. So if you click it and you hear one click, that means it's slow. 2 clicks means it's going to be in fast mode. So I'm going to put this in slow just because I'm in a very tight space. But pushing this button starts it up. You see, this is the helicopter in motion. Very easy to control. I do have this in the slow setting. So very easy to control, very smooth. This is actually a lot of fun. You see it's got even a little spotlight right underneath the nose of it. So I really like this helicopter. It's very easy to control. I bet my kid is going to have a blast with this. So thanks for watching my review, and I hope this answered a lot of your questions. Thanks.